The COVID-19 pandemic was a global crisis that affected us all. It brought physical health to the forefront, but also exposed our mental health. Isolation, fear, and uncertainty forced us to confront our mortality. This collective trauma highlighted the importance of mental well-being. The pandemic normalized conversations about mental health. This shared experience made it easier to open up and seek support. The pandemic showed us that mental health is just as important as physical health. The numbers tell a compelling story. Rates of anxiety and depression skyrocketed globally. The World Health Organization reported a 25% increase in these conditions within the first year of the pandemic. The percentage of adults reporting symptoms of anxiety or depression jumped from 11% in 2019 to over 40% in early 2021. These figures signal a public health crisis that needs immediate attention. It's a call to action for governments, healthcare providers, and individuals to prioritize mental health. While the pandemic affected everyone, certain groups experienced a disproportionate impact on their mental health. Frontline healthcare workers saw a surge in burnout, anxiety, and depression. Essential workers faced heightened mental health challenges due to job insecurity, financial strain, and virus exposure. Communities of color, already facing systemic health disparities, experienced a heavier burden of mental health issues. These disparities stem from limited access to mental health services, cultural stigma, and socio-economic inequalities. Addressing these disparities is crucial for equitable mental health care. Tailored interventions and support systems are vital to address the specific needs of different groups. We must strive for a mental health care system that is accessible, culturally sensitive, and responsive to diverse communities. Section 4. Answering the call. Society steps up for mental health. In the face of this mental health crisis, society has begun to respond. The conversation around mental well-being is finally opening up. More people are sharing their experiences, reducing stigma, and encouraging others to seek help. Employers are increasingly recognizing the importance of supporting their employees' mental health. Many companies now offer mental health days, allowing individuals to take a break and seek support. Legislative actions are also gaining momentum, with bills to improve access to mental health services. Schools are implementing programs to address anxiety, depression, and other mental health concerns. By providing early intervention and support, schools can help students develop coping mechanisms and build resilience. These efforts are crucial for building a more robust and accessible mental health care system. Section 5, a new frontier: technology and investment in mental wellness. The rise of technology has brought about a new era in mental health care. Mental health apps like Headspace and Calm offer guided meditation, mindfulness exercises, and sleep support. These accessible tools empower individuals to take control of their mental well-being. Investors are recognizing the growing need for innovative mental health solutions. Venture capital funding for mental health startups has increased significantly in recent years. Prominent startups like Brightline and Lyra Health are transforming the landscape of mental health care. Brightline offers virtual care for children and teens, addressing a critical gap in mental health services. Lyra Health partners with employers to provide comprehensive mental health benefits to their employees. Technology is breaking down barriers and making mental health support more readily available. Section 6, a brighter tomorrow. Collective efforts for a healthier future. The journey to better mental health is a collective one. It requires a multifaceted approach involving individuals, communities, healthcare providers, policymakers, and technology innovators. By working together, we can create a world where mental health is prioritized and everyone has access to the support they need. Increased awareness is paramount. We need to continue normalizing conversations about mental health, challenging stigma, and encouraging help-seeking behavior. Expanding access to care is crucial, including addressing the shortage of mental health professionals and improving insurance coverage. Investing in research is vital for developing more effective treatments and innovative approaches to prevention. The pandemic ignited a long overdue conversation about mental health. By embracing this opportunity and prioritizing mental well-being, we can create a brighter and healthier future for all.
Am I the only one who didn't know just how big self-care has become? Let's explore why everyone's jumping on this wellness wave. Self-care isn't just a trend, it's a lifestyle, especially for Gen Z and millennials. These generations spend over twice as much on self-care compared to baby boomers. From meditation apps like Calm and Headspace to skincare brands like CeraVe and Goop, the wellness industry is booming. But it's not just about products. People are investing in their mental and physical well-being. Sleep hygiene is huge now, with tools like the Oura Ring and apps like SleepTown helping optimize bedtime routines. And let's not forget CBD products now used by 28% of Americans, with sales expected to hit $20 billion by the end of 2024. So, why are we so obsessed with self-care? Because a happier, healthier you is worth every penny. Ready to join the revolution?
I'm sure you've heard the news. Gut health is the new hot topic in wellness. Probiotics and prebiotics are the stars of this show. These little superheroes are transforming our health from the inside out. Probiotics? They're living strains of bacteria that boost the good guys in your gut. Think of them as the friendly neighbors keeping the peace. The probiotic market could hit a whopping $85 billion by 2027. And let's not forget prebiotics, plant fibers that feed those friendly neighbors. This market is growing even faster, with a 20% surge expected in just 2 years. But it's not just us humans getting all the gut love. Pets are in on the trend too. Companies like Animal Biome are now analyzing pet poop to tailor gut health solutions for our furry friends. So next time you think about gut health, remember, it's a big deal for both you and Fido.